This Leche Asada recipe takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes, plus cooling, to prepare and serves 6 to 8 people. Get ready to indulge in a beloved Peruvian baked custard that's silky smooth with a beautifully bronzed caramelized top. Infused with warm vanilla, a hint of zesty lemon, and a touch of cinnamon, this simple yet irresistible dessert promises cozy, comforting flavors that will delight your taste buds. Let's now check the ingredients. 6 large eggs, 4 cups, 1 liter, whole milk, 1 cup, 200 grams, granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, zest of 1 lemon, optional but traditional, pinch of fine salt, ground cinnamon for sprinkling, butter for greasing the dish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and position a rack in the center. Butter a 9x9-inch, 23 centimeters, glass or ceramic baking dish, or 6 to 8 ramekins. Warm the milk in a saucepan over low heat until just steamy but not boiling. Remove from heat. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs with the sugar and a pinch of salt until just blended. Do not whip too much air. Slowly whisk the warm milk into the egg mixture. Stir in the vanilla and lemon zest until evenly combined. Strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher to remove bubbles and any zest strands for a smoother texture. Pour the custard into the prepared baking dish or divide among ramekins. Skim and discard any surface foam. Lightly dust the surface with ground cinnamon in an even layer. Bake uncovered until set with a deeply golden, lightly blistered top, about 45 to 55 minutes for a large dish, or 30 to 40 minutes for ramekins. The custard is done when the center still jiggles slightly, and a knife inserted 1 inch from the edge comes out clean. Transfer to a rack and cool to room temperature. Serve slightly warm, at room temperature, or well chilled after at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. Cut into squares or unmold ramekins and spoon over the bronze top. Now enjoy this incredible dessert with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.